Harsh realities. Let's have an analysis from my perspective and from my experiences in over 35 years. Almost everyone in power, be it police station, court, government office, government major departments, business people, CM, PM, company, MNC, college, school, politician, police, even beautiful ladies. Everybody who is holding power are all cruel. Cruelty is the fundamental character. People run show using their cruelty, not heart. Cruelty wins and not Aam Aadmi or students or good people. This is harsh reality of India and maybe other countries also. I stay in India, so I will talk about India. This is harsh reality. All the ruling people, all the people in power are cruel. Most of them, there are exceptions always. There are good people also. But basically, people run show using their cruelty. People run their show using cruelty. So, how do you expect a good heart person to win in a society where all the rulers are cruel people? This is harsh reality. What do you say about this? Please give your comments. Thank you.